3D product configurators are not only amazing, but they're easy to implement. If you've been considering adding one to your website, I've done the homework for you, and in this video, we're going to discuss these different options as well as present a recommendation for each. You see, 5 years ago, a configurator was a tall order. Honestly, pretty much any project was going to be six figures. Many fell by the wayside because the ongoing required maintenance. The good news here today in 2024 is that technology has dramatically improved and costs have fallen. We are now in what I would consider to be a good space where these configurators not only make sense for most merchants, maybe almost all merchants, but they offer a significant return on investment as well. Before we jump in, I'm Joseph, president here at SwiftOtter. We build and maintain amazing e-commerce websites, including those with product configurators. We would love to help you achieve your goals by providing the necessary technical support and expertise that you need. So, if more sales is a goal, and to be honest, when is it not, a configurator may help answer common questions that your customers may or may not be asking, actually. Configurators help your customer see what a product will look like basically in person via augmented reality, where you can pull it up on your phone or even just navigate, spin it around on a 360-degree spinner. Well, so how does the configurator do all this magic? Well, it increases sales because customers feel more confident in their purchases. It decreases returns because they're not going to be surprised as often. Well, yeah, there's always going to be that case. But with how the product looks when it arrives, continuity through the entire process. In fact, fulfillment also benefits because they also know exactly what the customer ordered. Many other advantages. Watch our webinar in the comments below about how these configurators work, as well as the article on our website about them. The three winners in our test, each one for each category. Number 1, Angle 3D. Number 2, Shape Diver, and NVZN, each for different use cases. So, real quick overview. Put simply, Angle 3D is the perfect fit if you have simple models with simple changes like color or visibility, with simple price changes. It starts at roughly $500 a year. Not bad at all. Angle 3D is a great option. But if you need to get anything more complex, Shape Diver will take you where you want to go. The cost is more, about $5,000 a year, completely infinitely flexible no matter what you want to do. What's the third? Wall art has a unique use case. If you're just showing basic art without the frames, NVZN is a super interesting option. It's very inexpensive, and it allows you to put this art easily in an augmented reality setup. So you can literally see what it looks like on your wall. So with that as the quick overview as far as what my recommendations are for each, let's dive in and look at each one of these options in detail so you get to make up your mind as well as you follow along. So Angle 3D allows you to change color, add image, upload spots, as well as hide and show components, and it even allows for engraving. Price, like I said, was super reasonable. Let's take a look here at what Angle 3D looks like on your computer. All right, so I've gone into the Angle 3D app from Shopify into this control panel here. I have a product in Shopify where I set some options, these variants here in Shopify, configured a head color, clothing color, and an image upload. And I can click into, here's my model. I just found a Lego character online. I can click into this, and we click edit, and now we can go and select here's my variant option value, and then what material color do I want to select for this. Super simple, super easy. You can also, you can select it and select which components you want, what colors you want for those. There isn't really a Shopify control panel like that attaches to the page. there's no direct link. So you have to go straight over to Angle 3D. Not really a problem, but it does work fine. All right, so here's my wacky Lego model that I have pulled together. Easily select each one of these options. You can even upload an image as well. Super easy to work with. Now, from a functionality perspective, if you're expecting something that's full-featured and you can like change the width of its hands, or I don't know, move its arms in and out, stuff like that, Angle 3D is not going to be the right option for you. But there's a lot of cases where you just have to change the colors, or you have to show or hide something. In those cases, which are plenty, Angle 3D is going to be perfect for your needs. And no, I'm not paid to say any of this stuff. So super easy to scroll it around, drag it around, and set it up. Now, the only disappointment I have with this app is the add to cart does not actually take a picture of what your current canvas looks like, and then saves it again, taking it through the process. So that would be my only disappointment through this, and hopefully we'll see that be fixed as time goes on. So that's Angle 3D, used for basic modeling applications. Now, let's jump into the next one. If you have many components or need some complicated customizations or rules that are involved, you probably would want to then look at a tool called Shape Diver. It costs more. In fact, it might cost about 10 times the price. And there is some time that's required to getting Shape Diver up and going, but we're still, you're probably looking at no more than 5 figures for the first year, depending on the complexity. Maybe it could be into low, worst case, mid 5 figures, but Shape Diver, again, it completely depends on your application, the product that you're working with, etc. Shape Diver is really, really powerful. In fact, it's basically 3D models, but with a software development backend. So you're going to probably have a developer that's involved. Shape Diver has developers. There's other people that know this backend language called Grasshopper. And you can create parameters and then change how it interacts with this 3D model. So it's like Angle 3D on steroids from what we talked about. We have these different parameters, easy to work with. We have image upload. These basically constitute the defaults, which then, based off of customer choices, here we see customer options here can be either hidden, default used, in other words, or it can be shown to the customer like this. So we can just drag that around. It's a terrible, terrible looking design. Hope you don't mind that. But we have augmented reality fully available as an option right here. And yeah, it's really powerful. It's kind of a dumb feature, but I do love the fact that when you click add to cart, it actually shows you a picture of this model when it is in the cart. Super easy to work with. I say super easy. If you are needing some major customizations, that's going to be on a developer to do. It's not going to be up to you. So again, there is a cutoff zone here in this. Now, moving on past Shape Diver, there's going to be this other niche case. This other niche case is going to be powered by NVZN. And what this is going to allow you to do is to showcase your customer's art, your art on your customer's wall. It's super fast to set up, and once you get it set up, it's incredibly reasonably priced. Now, check this out. It's super easy to use. We have our product here. I'm dropped over into the NVZN app. We have this product that I have selected here. All you have to do is come over here. I've already uploaded some AI-generated images of otters. As you can tell, our favorite animal. Specified a width and a height on these. And then we can come over here, and let me close out of this. You click on View on your wall. Pops this up with a code to be able to go check this out on your wall in augmented reality. It just works. If you have an AR powered phone, it works. Again, this is an excellent, excellent product. Works super well for you. So I hope you found this helpful. We have identified the top 6 in our article. Some of them we haven't been able to dive in and give a full testing because They have a involved onboarding process that's less hands-on. We're focusing more on the hands-on 3D product configurators that we can get our hands on, get them dirty, and check out and see what's going on with these. So we have an article that goes into far more detail on SwiftOtter.com. Link in the comments below. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like it and subscribe for more great content coming out just like this.